Chinese health officials say 15 people have been killed in coronavirus in Hubei province. The first coronavirus infection began in Hubei province, in China. The number of people infected with the virus now stands at about 1,300, out of which at least 41 have died. The news came as China celebrated the new lunar year. It is one of the most important days of the country's calendar. Many events have been cancelled and a new hospital has been built in Wuhan. Chinese media say the hospital will be ready in 6 days. It has 35 excavators and 10 bulldozers working on the construction. When someone is infected with the virus, he has a fever first, followed by dry cough, and breathing begins a few weeks later. In this situation, many need to get treatment in the hospital. 1 out of every 4 victims is in critical condition. On Thursday, a patient with coronavirus died in the northern province of Hubei, the first death from the virus outside Hubei. Earlier, when the death toll was 17, the National Health Commission of China says that the youngest among those killed by the virus was 48 years old and the oldest was 89 years old. The virus has now spread to Europe. News of the 3 attacks in France has been confirmed. French Health Minister Agnès Buzyn said one of the victims, a 48-year-old Chinese-born, was admitted to a hospital in Bordeaux after returning from Wuhan. Little is known about the second man. However, she was hospitalized in Paris after returning from China. Many more cases of infection are expected to occur in Europe, said Ms. Buzyn, on Friday evening. She reportedly had another attack in Paris. Singapore Friday confirmed a 3rd person was injured. The man is said to be the son of an infected patient. In the same day, one of the victims was reported in Nepal. 5 people have been affected so far in Thailand. Japan, Vietnam and South Korea have 2 victims, and 1 has been attacked in Taiwan. The UK, US and Canada are investigating whether anyone has been infected. The World Health Organization has not yet declared the virus an international emergency, as there is still a small number of cases worldwide. It is still feared to grow up, said the World Health Organization's Director General, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus.